Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio guys from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. The Asian equity markets are under pressure and the Asian currencies are depreciating. इसके पीछे का कारण सिंपल है. It is the USD CNH or the Chinese currency. क्योंकि चाइना से जो economic news आ रहा है, that's not very positive at all. And interestingly, we had highlighted this thing a week, 10 days back, कि USD CNH is breaking out from a multi-month congestion below 7. It is breaking out. So watch out. It was around 7 के आसपास. Now it's trading close to 712. And exactly, we are getting a lot of negative news flow from China. क्योंकि एक technical formation जब होता है, एक breakout formation, उसको ब्रेकआउट के बाद उसी दिशा में मूव करने के लिए इट नीड्स द न्यूज फ्लो टू बी सपोर्टिव एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ विद चाइना. द प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट इज वंस अगेन फीलिंग द स्ट्रेस. आज चाइना का PMI आया भी यहाँ, बेसिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टेट ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर एंड द सर्विस सेक्टर. रिमेंबर इन चाइना manufacturing is far more important than services. क्योंकि if you look at the economic size, क्योंकि चाइना में the domestic consumption is very low. They are largely dependent on infrastructure investments and external demand. Now, external demand on a net basis have come down dramatically over the last 12 years or so. But since COVID, it has been seen some improvement. So basically, external demand and largely property investments which matter to the Chinese economy when you're looking at the top two contribution in the economy. So iske liye for the China to see a bad indicator from the manufacturing sector, that is bad news. And there is a lot of talk that China may come out with a stimulus, but as of now the Chinese currency is depreciating and that's not good news for the Indian rupee. It's like it is a leader of the pack in the emerging market space, the largest economy in the EM space. So अगर वो currency depreciate करता है, it has a negative bearing on all. Now USD INR में खास movement at least offshore में देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. 81, 82 के आसपास futures है, which is the June futures on DGCX, which basically is going to be a slight higher opening. But we think that once again we could see a push towards 82, 90 or even 83 on the futures. But as we have seen in the recent past, RBI का intervention can be heavy. We expect RBI intervention to be very heavy. तो इसके लिए what can happen is market may try to push it higher, RBI may try to push it down. Now yes, situation में the casualty is volatility because USDINR may not be able to move or go anywhere. And we have already seen the volatility in USDINR is close to, or if not at the record lows. Now, such low-level volatility can sustain for some time, but considering the fact that globally the risks are rising, that's something we have to be careful about. So people who are selling straddles or strangles, it's fine, you can do that. But remember, just don't do it blindly. Just देखो कि आपने आसपास globally what is the situation. So it is very important to ensure that your position size is smaller than usual. और दूसरा, आप either position को adjust कर रहे हो in case there is a big move in that direction or you have a stop loss. Or else you can have a hedge strategy like a iron fly, a short iron fly where you short a straddle, but to hedge that straddle you buy a strangle. So इसमें मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट भी काफी कम हो जाता है बिकॉज इट्स अ हेज स्ट्रैटेजी. इंट्राडे के लिए 8260 से 8290 and then 83, this can be the broader range. So we'll be looking to buy on dips closer to 8265 70 levels with of course a stop loss below 8260 on a hourly closing basis. Or 8290 and then 83 के आसपास there will be heavy resistance possibly due to the suspected central bank intervention. Cross currencies में volatility will be high. कल we had seen a nice recovery in the GBP INR led by GBP dollar, but आज हो सकता है we can see a retracement down. So volatility is going to be high. and option volumes are picking up in GBP INR. So keep an eye over there. We'll be keeping you posted throughout the day through our Telegram channel. येन INR में भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वॉलेटिलिटी हो रहा है. Yesterday we had seen some comments from the Japanese officials showing displeasure about the sharp depreciation in the yen. इसके लिए yen had appreciated overnight. The JPY INR. आज once again we could see some volatility in JPY INR as well. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.